What are you thinking for this? Bone stock C7Z manual?
560 probably.
560. I think you're about right. I'll go low. I'll say 542. I don't know. I'm gonna be way off, but
I don't know. I've done baseline so long. I don't even remember what they make.
it's nice and cool in here today. I think it'll make some good power. Yeah, I did. 594.
That's a lot.
Yeah, I was way off. Yeah, exact same. 594. Pretty good. Looks like Matt got a start on this while I was gone on Friday. I think this thing's getting a porta blower. Yep, porta blower and a set of long tubes, throttle body, and a pulley. So I think he's just got to fix the exhaust for the long tubes, and I think that's it. Yep, yeah, you just got to finish that up. Knock this out quick. So how's it feel not working on a Camaro?
Fine.
It's definitely weird seeing a vet on your lift. At least since I've been here. Things just getting what, a porta blower and headers?
Yeah.
Sweet. Already got those on. Gotta do that. Turbo that sounds pretty good.
Okay, 2016 C7Z. I don't know what was done to it when it came here. Made 593, 630 torque. Got a stage 2 kit. American Racing long tube headers, Rotofat big gulp, and a Kong ported blower with a 2.5 upper pulley. That's it. Can you check that strap? I just heard it click. Yeah. I heard it like either unlock or lock or something. Let's see what this thing makes. I had an okay comp file, so I don't know how this first pull's gonna be, but we'll see. It might have just not been like locked, and when I like hit the brake, it locked or unlocked or something. .679, 632 torque. You put boost on there too. General. No. Oh yeah. Yeah, you're right. Miscellaneous. Sorry. Tune was pretty goddamn close. Closer than I thought it would be, actually. This is going to be pump gas only. So it should be fairly straightforward. Didn't change much. Pulled a little bit of fuel, added a little bit of timing. I added a half a degree, is by little, this is what I mean. I know for some of you guys, you might think little means like 2 or 3 degrees, but or 1 degree, or no, a half a degree. About the same. I'm actually not going to touch anything. I'm actually pulling a little bit more fuel out of it. And like I said, the first file that was in there, I was shocked at actually how close it was. Because we don't really do a ton of like this setup. Okay, let's try it again. After this, I'll probably just let it cool down, honestly. .66. It's just hot now. I'm gonna let this thing cool for a little bit. We'll be back. All right, little 20-minute cool down. Let's see if we can beat 693 or whatever baseline. If we do that, I think it's 100 more. Be pretty sick for headers and a ported blower. Dyno's about to freeze. I knew that was going to happen. That's why I didn't even make a pull.
Reset it?
Yeah. Once the wideband stopped working, I'm like, this thing's about to bug out. Okay, then the GoPro battery died. See what we got now. Nope. Exactly. I actually lost a little bit, but I'll do one more. Nope. Cold pulls when you're not like crazy over spinning the blower, or the blower's getting really hot. They don't really do a ton, obviously in this case. But either way, 679. So it picked up, I don't know, like 90 or something. We'll put it here, which is really good for air intake headers and a blower. So Other than that, that's about it. Later.